Hello students, welcome back to our video. So in the last video we talked about the four categories of computer network, that was LAN, CAN, MAN and WAN. We also saw that wide area network means computers are connected globally without any physical boundaries. Thus the different types of network is called internet. Then we saw that wide area network is divided into two categories. First is enterprise WAN and second is global WAN. So let's see the meaning of these two. First one is enterprise WAN. It is a wide area network of computers of a big organization. It is a network of fixed computers of various places. It is a network established for an organization. This type of network is known as intranet. For example, Indian Railways connect all its office computers through this type of network. So enterprise WAN is a wide area network of computers for the big organizations, and they use the different type of network for the fixed computers of various places, and this type of network is known as intranet. For example, Indian Railways connect all its office computers through this type of network, enterprise WAN. Then second is global WAN. This is a large network. This network has no geographical boundaries. It is spread in various countries and continents. It is one collective network of various organizations. It is called WWW, World Wide Web. So global WAN, it is a very large network, and this network has no geographical boundaries, and this is called WWW. You all know that when you search for anything, you will write www.google.com, that is World Wide Web. Nowadays, internet service providers have established their own separate communication system by removing the necessity of telephone. Many famous organizations have connected their computers and created a network. Thus, internet means a network of computers which establishes communication by the centralized organization with or without the help of telephone, means cable, or with the help of satellite. Text, picture, audiovisual, visual, audio, and numeric information can be exchanged with the help of internet. Mainly the following three types of functions can be performed through internet, that is contact with other persons, receiving of information, and the connection with other computer system. So let's see the meaning of these three. First one is contact with other persons. We can promptly and easily communicate with any person in the world with the help of email through internet. We can chat with internet users across the world as if we are sitting in the same room. So with the help of internet, we can contact any person anywhere in the world. Now second one is receiving of information. The computers across the world are connected with the help of internet. Thus we can easily and immediately receive any information about any field. And third one is the connection with other computer system. The direct connection with the other computer system is possible by using the medium of internet broadcasting. For example, the banking facilities are available online. The railway tickets are available from any place. Third one is the observation in the examination center is held by Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Board is done with the help of internet. So mainly these are the three functions performed through internet. Next topic is to search information from the internet. This is the topic which in this system you will learn how to search any information from the internet. So let's see that. The required information is easily available on internet. To search information, steps are as follows. So these steps are given for how to search the information. I know you are very familiar with everything, Google, but like this is the theory, so you have to learn, and I know you all know how to search the information from the Google, Firefox, or from the any website. But let's see the various steps for the finding information through internet. So the step 1 is selection of browser. So first step is selection of browser. Like there are many different types of browsers such as UC browser, Google, Firefox, like internet. These are the browsers. From this you have to select the one of the browser, from which browser you want to find the information. So after being connected with internet, open any internet browser. For example, Firefox. This is in the figure 4.1. You can see the home page of internet browser. So this is the home page of the browser Firefox. Then second step is selection of the search engine. The home page search engine will be open as we write the name of the website of the search engine in the search bar in the browser window. For example, if you write down www.google.com.in, in Indian home page of Google search engine will open as shown in the figure 4.2. So the second step is the selection of the search engine. This is how, if you write it down www.google.com.in, then this type of home page of Google search engine will appear on your window. This is the second step. Now the third step. Third step is to enter required information in the search bar. In the home page of the search bar of the search engine, the required information is entered in the text box. For example, if you want to get information about the lion, then type lion in the search box. If it is done so, then we can find the picture as SCIM 4.0. In this box, this is known as search box. Like if you want to information about like a lion, you have to type lion here in the search box. This is the picture you will find it. So here in the search box you have to line about whatever information you want, that topic you have to write in this search box. Then step 4 is to select the website. The list of websites showing information about lion will open as soon as you click on search button, which is shown in the 4.3. The list of websites shown in the 4.4 will be followed. So after if you click the search box, search button, then this type of window will open, and then these are the different websites, list of websites. So after these websites, you have to search one website from which you want to get the information. Now step 5 is to get the required information from the list of the websites related to lion. If you click on the particular website, then that website will open and you can see the information available on that website. This is how it will shown. If you want to see the various images of lion, then you have to click on the images button on screen, and then you will see various image of the lion as shown in the figure 4.5. In this way, if there is requirement of any information related in any field, you can get that from various websites in the form of text, images or video. Now, this was all about the internet, and these were the steps to find the information on the website through internet. How to find the information through internet. Now the next topic is e-commerce. And now we would be stopping here. In the next video, we would see the meaning of e-commerce. And if you have any questions or any doubts, please feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.